Hey everyone, it's Mark, Skipper Mark. Happy Thanksgiving 2019. So, Matt's truck has a problem, and since nobody's working today, we're gonna fix it. Or let me say, he's going to fix it. I'm just looking down to see what he's doing. He's got something wrong in his front end. Tie rod, not sure. What is it that you have wrong?
I don't know. It's like it's technically like the inner tie rod end or something.
The inner tie rod end.
It's
so
the one that goes to the pitman arm.
It's the one that goes to the pitman arm. He loves that pitman arm. He talks about that a lot. So we're gonna see what he's up to and follow his travels today. So there's a really bad storm happening, and it's very windy. So it may not sound good, the sound. I'm not sure what he's doing, but he's taking stuff off and putting stuff on. Gonna try to get under there for a better look.
Disconnected that.
We just went to Walmart. They're actually open early on Thanksgiving, so we picked up some propane so he can heat up the metal to get the part off easier. It's maybe like 35, 40 degrees today. It's quite chilly with heavy winds.
It's too windy.
It's so windy, the torch keeps blowing out. So he's heating up the parts, which always makes them come off easier. Thankfully, because the Jeep is tall, he can almost sit under there. No need to jack it up. All right, so this is the Moog tie rod end. It's to replace the broken one. And I ran inside for a minute and he got it out by the time I got back out. So we're ready to put this one in. Total time so far, 10 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, sorry, my bad. We'll say 10 because Mommy had to run in to get the propane bottles and stuff.
Oh yeah.
So,
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so here we go. This is the old one. The ball joint or whatever is inside it is all worn out. It's got tons of play. You don't want that to break on you while you're driving, because then you won't have any steering. Did it have a hood on it, or is that hood just gone?
Yeah, it had a little thing like this, like that.
Okay.
It just fell off here.
Oh, okay.
It's all broken.
And that's where the grease goes from the Zerk fitting, right?
Yeah.
So interestingly, he is not putting it in the wrong way. It is lefty tighty, righty loosey, because they're directional. Normally it's righty tighty, lefty loosey, but this is lefty tighty, righty loosey, which is weird. But he's got to go 29 spins.
Do you remember 10?
10. He's done 10 spins so far.
Okay, 12.
Is it okay to bend it down like that?
Yep.
19.
I'm not strong, I'm fat. Fat does not equal strong. 28 and a half. 29.
Perfect.
So now he's torquing this to 55 to 60 pounds.
Little nose coming out.
All right, so it's in, and now we're just filling it up with some grease. So now he's heating up some thing, and
Little
he's
collar
gonna try to
piece.
spin it so that it'll straighten his steering wheel. What's that dripping out?
That's the oil I sprayed on it.
So if you notice, the wheel is spinning. As he turns that collar piece, the wheel actually straightens out.
Looks good, Matt.
I never knew that's how you had to, what you had to do to straighten a wheel. That's pretty cool. All right, we got one special tip here to help you out if you ever have to move a heavy jack.
Yeah, it's easier to roll it on the two wheels like this than on the small little ones. What? Hello? Oh. Thought you went inside.
Hello?
Okay, that's a wrap.